Hello YouTube, this is New York THRU. Just thought I'd do a review on my newest purchase from Yankee Dabbler, my first official purchase directly from Yankee Dabbler. It is this BMP SD60M 3089. It, like I said, is an SD60M, same model as that 3887, but different style of horn that's on the real model. First off, I like to fire it up so you guys can hear it. Horn. So first is headlight, dimmer, ditch lights, option 1 is bell, 2 is long horn, 3 is short horn, 4 does nothing, 5 does ditch lights, 10 raises RPMs, 3 is knuckle, 'This is the engine that actually on camera filmed in real life. It's a 710 motor. And other reviews are on the Sportina sets I got here. That'll be the next review game here on YouTube. Don't forget to like, subscribe for content. THRU out.